So you can see in front of you, using on-screen keyboard, we are going to discuss now. On-screen keyboard, why we use it? Sometimes the keyboard stop working but the mouse is working state. In that case we need to choose start, then all programs, and then we will look for accessories. In the accessories there is an option for ease of access, and then we will look for on-screen keyboard. As we click there, a keyboard comes in front of us. So let's try it by using notepad. In the notepad I will be typing with the help of mouse but by clicking on screen keyboard. So you can see I am writing here, thanks for watching. We can choose it from automatic help provided at the top, right? And then we can close it and we can save it if we want, otherwise don't save. Thank you so much.